Exclusive.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz and I am back on your screen. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And today I have an unboxing for you guys. I received a package from Startree and they were so kind enough to reach out to me and they wanted me to share with you all one of their luxury handbags. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. I have not, as you've seen, I tore it open, I peeked in it to make sure it is what I thought it was, and it was. Okay, so this is the box. It is a Louis Vuitton and we're gonna open it up. We're gonna do an unboxing together. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna slide that over, and it came in a real, you know, cute little box like this. I don't always keep my boxes. Sometimes I throw them away, but they are okay. So they, you know, they have the receipt just in case, you know, you want to give this to somebody, and they have the bag if you want to give a gift to somebody after Christmas gift. You know, those are the best. Or sometimes you just don't see that person because you're either on vacation or whatever the case may be, or you know, it's a birthday coming up. This would be a really nice gift to give somebody. But this is the bag that you get. It was all folded up, and you get the little cards that they throw in here, and you also get like ribbon and whatnot. So let's get into what we really clicked on here for. Came in plastic, and you have your little dust bag. We're gonna open it up. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's pull this out. Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you take a wild guess? Alright, it is this cute little, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so what I need to do, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna take the paper and stuff off. I want to make sure I'm saying the name of this purse right. It's like the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM handbag. It's 19 by 13 by 11 centimeters. Yes, and let's see. Yeah, and on their website they have free shipping by DHL. All of our products, including original box, card, dust bag, and receipt. Yeah, so you get free shipping. This is the cutest. Okay, let me stop talking again and show y'all. I just had to make sure that that was the correct name for the bag. And I'm going to come closer so you guys can see this beauty. Okay, this is a beautiful, nice black bag with gold hardware. The zipper is gold. And we're going to open it up. This is like a really cute bag, okay? And then inside it says Louis Vuitton, made in France, Paris, France. Okay, and then inside we have what I'm assuming is the straps. Yeah, they give you like the booklet on how to care for your bag. Make sure. Yeah. And then we have the strap. What is this? Jasmine sachets. Okay. What's in here? Okay. You got the key and lock. That's cute. This is it. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. That's the key and lock right there. Okay, I like this. It's adjustable. I love a purse when they have like adjustable straps. It's kind of hard when you get a purse and it doesn't have like an adjustable strap, because some people are bigger than others and it might not, you want that crossbody look, but it might not look good as a crossbody because the straps is short. So it just defeats the whole purpose. And I don't like to spend money on a purse and then I have to go and go on Etsy and purchase like a strap or something like that. But to each his own. Okay, so they put this on here real tight. Okay, my love, so this is the bag, and this is the inside of the bag. You have one compartment, or shall I say one zipper compartment, where you can put probably some keys or lip gloss. You can't put too much in it because this is a nice little bag to, you know, take out if you're going out on a town or on a date. This is just the cutest. You can wear this bag anywhere. You could dress it up or dress it down. It doesn't even matter. You can wear this. Now, I like this a lot. This is the keeper. Yes, honey, this is definitely a keeper because the straps, look at y'all, it's adjustable. Okay, so I'm gonna, matter of fact, I'm gonna adjust the straps right now. Okay, so I was trying to kind of put the tag on here the best way that I knew how, but I put it on there and I put the lock right here on the little tassel so that when you close it, put it in the middle. And the bag looks like this. This is just so cute, guys. I like this. Yes, this is too cute. You can actually put the locks like right here to lock it. And I'm gonna put the keys inside. Girl, I don't know. I guess I put the keys inside here. Yeah. I put the locks right here on the little tassel. I put the key inside because I'm not gonna be locking the purse. Yeah, but this is just the cutest. Okay, if they want something in this purse, honey, they probably just take the whole purse. But yeah, and then the tassel, I put it on the best way that I knew how. Make sure the LV is showing. Yeah, but it looks like so. Okay, now I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna show you what I will put in it. I don't have my purse up here, but I do have my cell phone. You know, you always gotta have your cell phone, and the cell phone fits very nice and comfortable. I have my, what is this called, Isaac Mizrahi, I don't know, but this is like a card case to keep your credit cards and any kind of other cards you may have. I have my AirPods. I'm just gonna carry this little lotion by Soap and Glory. This is the Sugar Crush. Put that on the side. And I wanted to mention to you that it has a zipper compartment right here that you can put your items in, but it also has like compartments on the side, y'all, if you want to hide something like on the side or in the front here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, in the front. And there's another compartment on the side. So although this little baby looks a little small, it's roomy. Okay, we're gonna put our little Dior lip gloss in here, and maybe I'll put one more lip gloss in there, you know. Okay, but look, I still have room in here. Okay, and I'm gonna close it up. And it looks so cute, don't it? Y'all can't lie, this thing is super cute. And let me stand up so that you guys can get the full effect. All right, my love, so this is the bag. Isn't it cute? It's really cute. I think I might adjust the straps to make it just one notch shorter. Okay, did I adjust? Yeah. And I like it like right here where it falls. It falls really nice and it's cute. Yes, guys, this is a really nice purse to go shopping with. It has that gold right here. It's wrapped with the leather going around it. It's the cutest purse. Those of y'all who don't like that crossbody style, you can actually take these off and change it from daytime to nighttime, carrying your bag like so. Isn't that cute? Going into dinner with your husband, okay, or going with your girls out to eat. This is just the cutest. You can keep up with it. You don't need too much big bags at dinner time. You just want something real cute, dainty, elegant. And this is the bag right here, you guys. So don't forget to check out Startree. Go down in the description section of the video. I'll list everything that you need so that you can save, coupon codes, links, all of that good stuff. So shout out to them for sending me this here, and I want to thank you all for watching. And if you like videos like this, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back for more. All right, bye y'all.